No intro for this video because that's just how I'm feeling today. I know. I feel like, behind the scenes, B and I, we take a lot of time to kind of figure out what's the message for the people, like what's coming through today, or we have our weekly meetings where we sit down together and we kind of plan like, okay, like let's talk about this really resonates, this is in alignment, and then we come up with the descriptions and the key points that we want to hit so we can like help people. And then there are days where it comes to sitting down and recording and it's just like, ugh, like, no, I'm not feeling it. And today is one of those days for me in particular, not for her. She's like ready to go.
I'm ready. Hi, guys.
But we kind of wanted to just be real and like talk about that because I think
Yeah.
that you guys see us and we're pretty like animated most of the time, like we're like hitting our intros, you're doing the hook, you're doing the story, you're doing your call to action, you're talking to the people. And this is going to be like a very different video than that.
Mm. Yeah, this definitely feels so much more authentic. Like we scratched our plan for one of today's videos because Jessy was having like a lot of resistance and like feelings coming up, and she was, you know, I'll let her talk a little bit more about that. But I just was like, wait, let's like go into what you're feeling. Like, let's be a little bit more authentic and like let's just call the energy out versus like trying to like go through and mask it and hey, da-da-da. Like that's like not real, and like that's obviously not what we are wanting everyone to do in the world. Like we are pillars, I feel like, of authenticity, and we must act as such.
Yeah, and like I found myself being like, I think just super resistant to recording because I think I'm just, well, I don't think I know. I know I'm dealing with like heavy emotions and like we're in the luteal phase and like it's just like so emotional. It's like an emotional time of the month and a really sensitive time of the month as well. So it's just, yeah, I just woke up and I was just like, man, like I don't want to, but like I am going to. This is like one of those cases where it's like, I'm gonna show up for my partner. This is like what I agreed to. And like, there's a balance with this, right? Because there have been days where one of us doesn't want to record at all. And it's about listening to your body and knowing, like, okay, like actually can't push past this resistance. Like, this is gonna
Mm-hmm.
like totally deplete me. And I know today, like, today was one of those days where it's like, push through the resistance anyway. Like, on the other side, you're gonna feel really good and accomplished, and yeah, like I'm already feeling better that we're just being more authentic in this video about where I'm at and like what the process actually looks like behind the scenes. And like you can't always show up like with this animated, like that doesn't feel real for me today, right?
Right. And I feel like this can relate to you in any area of your life. So even if you're not recording videos like us, it does relate to how you're showing up in different areas of your life. Like I had a client, for instance, and I remember her talking to me. We had a session, and then like that evening, she had a like friends sort of dinner planned, and she was like, I don't want to go. Like, I feel like I have to be one way, and like I have to like I just can't do it tonight. Like I'm not feeling it. We've all been there. Like when you make plans like a week before, and then when you get to the day of, you're just like, I want to cancel. I don't want to do this. And I told
Yeah.
her like, girl, you can totally cancel, or you can show up just as you are.
Mm-hmm.
Take the pressure off of yourself. Who's saying you have to show up a certain way? That's really inauthentic. Like you don't have to be anything. You all you have to do is be yourself. And she was like, that changed so much for her. I remember her being like, oh, like I could feel the pressure being alleviated. Like the pressure was steaming out. And she was like, right, I don't have to talk the whole time. I don't have to talk if I don't want to. I'll talk whenever I feel it. And I remember the next session, she was like, that changed everything for me. I showed up, it was fine, I had a good time, I said what I wanted when I wanted, and I didn't, push myself to do anything else.
Mm,
So,
yeah.
someone out there needs to hear this.
So, with all of that being said, like, it's important to tune into your body, really like be authentic with yourself, no matter if you have the plans or not. Like B was saying, like sometimes I'm a totally different person when I'm making plans with somebody else. Like or like I'm just in a different headspace. Like I'm excited, I'm full of life and energy. And then the day comes and then like, yeah, it's like today. And I'm just like, ugh, no, but it's about checking in with yourself, tuning in and seeing if it's something that like you're truly resistant to or if it's something that you can, push past and then show up as you are, which is exactly what we did in this video.
Yeah, so comment below. Let us know if this is resonating. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our channel if you're liking this content, like this video. And as always, take what you need, leave the rest, and go love yourself.